Hey everyone, just out here for a nature walk in Clark Reservation State Park in Dewitt, New York. Right now I am on the swamp trail and I'm about to start skirting around an ancient glacial lake. It's a meromictic lake, which means the water at the top and bottom of the lake don't mix. So there's quite a wide diversity of life that lives in the top, and then in the bottom can be totally anaerobic at times. But just a beautiful place here. All these beautiful limestone everywhere, covered in all different kinds of moss. This place is one of the most diverse and most populated areas of ferns in the country. So if you're into plants, this place is really cool. Or geology. Lots of different kinds of basaltic limestone and all kinds of trails. There's a huge cliff trail that goes above this lake I just came down off of. So lots to explore here. I'm actually here because I am harvesting some rocks and some driftwood, if you want to call it that, for my aquariums. So some of these trails are a little bit sketchy, honestly, with all the rock, and it just rained this morning, so everything's wet and a little slick. But just look at these different species of moss. Like that. I'm not really much of a botanist, but so pretty. Like a nice carpet everywhere you look. So I will get on to another trail, or once I get something else interesting to see, I will check back. See you later.